Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to code a basic website. You're going to need two basic programs for this. If you're on Windows, you can use Notepad++. On Mac, you can use Sublime Text, and if you're on any Linux, you can make gedit. And a web browser. For mine, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now what you want to do is you want to save the file, make any change to the file, which I will do as this. And what I recommend doing is going to the Language tab, HTML, and it will color code everything for you. Now what you can do is you can save as, and then I will do speech.html. Click Run, launch in Chrome, and it will appear. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a title tag. And what this does is it changes the speech.html in the tab to whatever you want it to be. So I'm going to change the title to web page. What you want to do to close off or end a statement is to put a slash and the same argument. What if you want to add a body? Do the body command and then close it off. And you can do anything with the body. You can put in text and all that. But I'm not going to be going through all the major steps like CSS and all that. I'm just going to be going through the basics. Now once you get in body, you can do one of many options. I'm going to be doing a heading in H2. And then I'm going to be writing the word heading. And then closing it off. And we will save the changes, refresh the page, and of course it says web page and heading. Now what if you want to add an image? Simple. Just do the img command, source as src, equals, put a quotation mark, and for mine I'll be using maxresdefault.jpg, close the quotation and close off the bracket. And now, what if we want to change the size? Height equals, for mine I'm going to do 400, and put that in quotation marks. Width equals 200. Save, refresh the page, and yeah, it's a weird shaped, so if you want to change that, just change that to 4, and change that to 2, save it, refresh it, and it looks normal. And if you're wondering what this is from a YouTube video. It's a screenshot, just don't ask. But yeah, now that we have an image, you want to put your body text, just type in anything. I will type in, this is a basic web page made for test purposes. Save, refresh, and that's what it says. But what if you don't want this to happen? Where you have it right next to the picture? For that, you can use the paragraph command. N/P to end it, save, and refresh. And it comes down in an entirely new paragraph. What if you want to make a list? Well, take the UL for an unordered list, or the OL for an ordered list. Now to make a list item, you're going to want to use the li command, then /li to end it. And to put anything in the middle, you can just type in, for example, milk, and to make another one, li eggs, save, and it will appear as milk and eggs in an unordered bulleted list. For an ordered list, you can use the same principle, li, your item, close it, and do the same thing. save, and this time it will appear as a numbered list. It's a very simple way to make a web page. And there are many different methods to make a web page, but I prefer to make one from scratch myself, because I know what's going into it, and it gives me a bit of a challenge. Well, I hope you had an interesting, well, not exactly interesting, but I hope you brought, forget it!